I was looking everywhere how to do snapshot switches through MIDI in Helix native. So here's a little video because I couldn't find any information about it. So this is what you want. Through MIDI items, your Helix native will just switch snapshots, presets. You can use this for multiple purposes, of course. So I'll quickly show you how that is done. I use Reaper, but this should be the same for any DAW. Just create a new track and arm it with load Helix native on it. Okay, when Helix native is loaded, select the preset you want with the snapshots in it. So make sure that you have your snapshots programmed. Then you go into the VST tree, right click, and then build 16 channels of MIDI routing to this track. So Reaper will create 16 MIDI input channels. Just delete all of them except MIDI 1. You only need MIDI 1, and you can move it where you want. You don't have to keep it there. You can put it in a bus or something. Next, create a new MIDI item. Open the MIDI item. Very important information. Helix native does everything on CC69. Nice. So what you need to do is program the CC69 with the values you want. In this case, you just do one big event. So now you have a MIDI item. What you see is MIDI in. The little green light in your Helix native application will light up. That means it correctly gets the input of the MIDI. Right click on the event properties, and there you see the value. So this value is very important because why? This is the number that is communicated to Helix native in this case. So in value, just enter a number that you want. For example, value 2. We'll go to snapshot 3 because we start from 0. In this case, you play it and it gets the MIDI event. So if you want to do a bit more automation, just copy paste the MIDI, give it a color, give it a name or anything. And just right click event properties and then just change the number. That's it. That's how you can fix your snapshot changes inside your DAW. This little unprepared video can help some people to get through the nightmare that is the MIDI switches in Helix native. Thank you very much and see ya.